Marvel Technology is a professional LCD company having been founded in 2012, being the one and only company in the industry for the professional manufacturing of LCD digital signage products. Marvel were strategically invested into by the Shenzhen government. With over 70 workers within the business, we are supporting China and are one of the world's largest LCD product professional companies. We are committed to focusing on becoming the most professional designer, manufacturer, and supplier of LCD digital signage, including standalone digital signage, wall-mounted digital signage, LCD video wall, interactive touch tables, multimedia kiosk, outdoor advertising players, interactive blackboard, and glasses-free 3D displays. Marvel is high-tech enterprise who has its own R&D department for the lean and efficient creations of software systems and their relative applications. Marvel, too, have numerous patents, including but not limited to 5 invention patents, 12 software copyrights, and 11 utility model product patents, and 16 design patents. Marvel products are certified following achievements in CCC, CE, FCC, ROS, and ETL. Same testing standards as UL 60950-1. Marvel has built one modern assembling workshop which covering an area of 3,000 square meters. We have own outdoor waterproof testing laboratory. We have our own casing factory working for 24 hours continually. Marvel spirit, being earnestly, fast, and keep the pledge.